I'm sure you've heard the news. Animals can talk. Ready to meet them? Meet Freddy the Fox. He loves to tell jokes. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side. Haha, classic Freddy. Next up is Bella the bird. Bella loves to sing. Tweet, tweet. Let's sing together. Can you tweet like Bella? Great job. Now here comes Gary the giraffe. He's super tall and loves to play basketball. Want to play with me? Reach up high just like Gary. And let's not forget Ellie the elephant. She loves to splash in the water. Splish splash. Join me for a water adventure.